Hi gang, here's a brief walkthrough of the trick that I posted up yesterday. Decks in stacked order, I use the Aronson stack. I have a card selected, and while they're looking at the card, I very briefly look at this card here, and I just do that is by keeping the pinky break as I turn the cards over and I see that one. In that case, it's the 27th card, so I know that's the 7 of clubs. So, then I have the card selected. Now you could have the card cucked over here and then just double undercut. The way I like to do it is just to have the card placed right on the top and do Jerry Sadowitz's move, which looks like the card's going right in the middle. Now I can continue with just a few false shuffles because I want to give them the impression that the cards are, their selection is completely lost in the pack. Maybe a false cut if the need be. So, I give the deck to the spectator, they cut off half and hand them to me. Now, I'm going to show the card as not being here, and yet I'm going to reverse it in the center. It's a very nice move by Johnny Benzaez. You show a group of cards. Now remember, there are cards on the bottom here. They'll say no, they don't see their card. I turn these over and I pull down and then feed those cards between the selection and the rest of the pack. I'm going to do this 2 more times. They won't see their card. It comes right down here. 1 more time, it goes right down here. So very cleanly and very fairly I'm shown that their card's not there. Now we're going to go to this next spectator who's holding the pack. Now the assumption that it is there. I'm going to invisibly take the card out and hold it for a moment. They'll look through the pack face up. They won't see the card. Now I'll look at it and I'll announce the card. That was a 7 of clubs. At this point, I just toss it over here, and like any invisible deck routine, they pass through here until they find their 7 of clubs. I'm going to take the pack back from them, and I'm going to put the cards back in order. I keep going here till I separate the cards. There's the stack number 1, and let these kind of slide over the top until I get to that face down card. This can be placed down on the table, and these get placed here. Put those back, and the deck is back in order with the exception of that card. Now that's an easy matter. That's just giving a pressure fan, placing it right back in the right spot, and then you're back in stack order. So hopefully that clears things up, and hopefully I like it. It seemed to play strong. The wife liked it.